Hi guys, how are you? Today I am going to make this Aquarius Plus. This is the case, black Zigmatic Aquarius Plus. This is the cooler, silver stone RGB. This is the RAM Kingston 8 plus 8 16 GB. This is the WD M.2 1 TB. This is the processor i7 11th generation. i7 11th generation. Then this is the ASRock motherboard B560M Pro SE. This is the Zotac graphics card 3060 overclock. So this power supply 700. This have already I have. So this is the component. So I will going to start now. When it will be ready, then I will upload another video. So please subscribe me, and if you have any problem or something, if you want to know, then you can comment, so I can give you whatever I know, I can give you a solution. So thank you so much for watching and support me. Thank you so much.